I'm going to talk tonight about Jin Shin Jyutsu, Eastern acupressure. Last little while we've been talking about the power of the main central vertical flow. We talked about, running your hands down this center line of the body and how that supports all energy systems. We talked about its relationship in a video previous, in the last little bit here, the mudra video, about the right supervisor and the left supervisor and how they run parallel to that main central vertical flow. And they really rule everything that happens either on the right or the left. In order for that to communicate, and the relationship between the right hand and the left foot and the left hand and the right foot, there needs to be a tool for communication. And in the energetic system in Jin Shin Jyutsu, that's called the mediator. So to create totality in the learning that we've been doing this week together and the movement of energy, we're going to talk tonight about that mediator flow. I suggest you do this laying down. It's really important that you're comfortable, relaxed, and safe. I'm going to do it standing just for ease of showing you, demonstrating, but if you'd like to follow along, it'd be best if you're laying on a couch or somewhere comfortable. If you can do it in a reclining chair, we'll see. You can try it once and then experiment about what most suits your physique and flexibility and all that. So what we're going to do today is a combination of mudras and holds. The first thing is that there can be a left mediator or a right mediator flow. And so I'm going to demonstrate both. We're going to start with the left. So we're making a mudra with that middle finger actually. And it's going to be the nail of that middle finger with the pad of that thumb. Strong fingers, strong intent, fingers pointing upward. Exhale, always drop the shoulders with Jin Shin Jyutsu. Allow that relaxation to permeate through the body. On the left side, we're going to put the fingers of the right hand. Again, we're going to make that hook that we talked about before. We're going to go back to the top of the shoulder, reaching back into that meaty section just past the top. And we're going to press with a bit of, whatever's comfortable. If you want to get into that muscle there, go right ahead. Make a hook and then just drop in. Get as comfortable as you can. Exhale. You may decide you want to be on top of that mudra, or you may decide you want to bring that mudra out. Either way, get as comfortable as you can. And we're going to take the right foot and we're going to rest it on the inside of the left knee. So we're holding the left shoulder, we're making a mudra with the left hand, and we're placing our right foot on our left leg. Exhale. Not only are we assisting the left and right sides of the body to communicate by doing this combination, but we're also stimulating our body. We're releasing fatigue. And while we do that, we're looking at ways within the body to drop attitudes of worry, attitudes of fear, anger, sadness, grief, trying too hard, pushing, pretense, all of that. Exhale. You can stay here as long as it's comfortable, and just because I'm leaning against a wall and propping up my leg in the air, I'm going to bring it down for comfort, and I'm going to move to the other side, making the mudra. Now, middle finger and the thumb, and now I'm on the right, making the hook with my left hand and going into that meaty part at the back of the shoulder. Exhale, moving right into that area, dropping in, getting comfy, strong fingers, clear intention, pointing upward. Exhale. Taking that now left leg, putting it on the right knee or inside of the knee. Exhale. Do this laying down. I highly recommend it. slowly coming down. And that is the mediator. We did both, the right and the left side. You can choose to do one. You can choose to do both. You can choose to do none. You can do this individually just to support the mediator, that connection between the right and left sides of the body. If you feel right-sided or left-sided, this helps to sort of balance that. If you find that you're kind of leaning or your shoulders are not quite balanced, your hips or your knees, anything like that, this would be an excellent flow for that. Or you can do it in combination with the other mudra that we did. Remember the Supervisor, where we made a nice ring. And this one that we did the other day helps the right and left supervisors. So no need to switch. You're looking at the right hand, making a ring with that middle finger and the pad of the thumb, and then slipping that left thumb in between. And we looked at supporting that main central vertical flow. Totality. Blessed be with and without. Ground and grow.